Hello our art friend. Today in Kiddy Can Draw, we are going to learn how to draw Gabby from Gabby's Dollhouse. So grab your art supplies and let's start drawing. We're going to start the face by drawing a curved line for the chin and the size of the face. Draw the ears by drawing a half circle on each side, with a couple of curved lines inside for the texture. Draw a wavy line coming out from the side of the ear, going up then down to make the bang. Repeat the same step on the other side to finish the bangs. Inside the face, draw the eyebrows first, right under the bang. Then draw big half circles for the eyes. Close the eyes at the bottom with a curved line. Then draw the iris and the pupil inside. Color the pupil, leaving a white spot to show light reflection. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Draw a small half circle for the nose. Then draw the mouth below. For the magical ears headband, draw a line on top of the head. Attach to it a triangular shape for the cat's ear and a small triangle inside. Extend the line to complete the hair band and make another ear similarly. Draw two lines coming down from the face to make the neck. Then draw two curved lines, one on each side, to make the jacket collar. Draw two longer curved lines to make the jacket itself. From the sides of the collar, draw the arms and connect them to the bottom of the jacket. Draw the jacket's drawstrings coming down from the collar. Draw the hand by drawing the thumb and the palm, with three lines inside to make the fingers. Repeat the same step to make the other hand. To make the t-shirt, draw a small curved line at the bottom of the neck. Then extend two lines, one coming out of each side of the jacket, going down, and close the t-shirt at the bottom. Make stripes in the t-shirt. To make the pants, draw a line coming down from the side of the t-shirt and another line from the other side tilted upwards. Then draw an upside down letter V to connect the two legs together. Make small fold at the bottom of each leg. Draw two small lines coming down from the bottom of each leg. Then draw an incomplete oval shape to make the first shoe and decorate it. Then draw the second shoe from a side view. And decorate the shoe as well. Draw a wiggly line coming out from both sides of the cat's ears, going down intersecting the arms to make the hair outline. Decorate the leg of the pants with a cat face. Perfect! Now you can draw Gabby from Gabby's Dollhouse. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.